Welcome to our guide on how to use Reddit for SEO, finding keywords from your audience. Reddit, keyword research. Reddit, the front page of the internet, is not only a platform for entertainment and discussions but also a goldmine for keyword research. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage Reddit to discover valuable keywords that can boost your SEO strategy. Firstly, familiarize yourself with Reddit's interface. Subreddits are communities dedicated to specific topics. Each subreddit is a potential source of keywords. Use the search bar to find subreddits relevant to your niche. Once you've identified relevant subreddits, dive into the discussions. Pay attention to the language and phrases used by the community members. These are your potential keywords. Look for recurring themes and questions. These indicate what your audience is interested in and what they're searching for. Note down these keywords and phrases. Don't forget to check out the Related Communities section on the sidebar. It can lead you to more subreddits where your target audience might be active. Another powerful tool is Reddit's search function. Use it to search for specific keywords related to your niche. This will help you find threads and comments where your target keywords are being used. Furthermore, explore Reddit's popular and trending sections. These can give you insights into the latest trends and topics that are gaining traction. Incorporating these trending keywords into your content can give your SEO a boost. Now, let's talk about using Reddit for long-tail keyword research. Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific phrases that are easier to rank for. Reddit is a treasure trove of long-tail keywords. To find long-tail keywords, look for niche-specific subreddits and niche-focused discussions. Users often ask detailed questions or share specific experiences, which can be turned into long-tail keywords. Remember, the key to successful keyword research on Reddit is active participation. Engage with the community, ask questions, and contribute valuable insights. This not only helps you discover keywords but also establishes your authority within your niche. In conclusion, Reddit is not just a platform for entertainment and discussions. It's a powerful tool for SEO keyword research. By tapping into the language and interests of your target audience, you can uncover valuable keywords that will drive organic traffic to your website. So, start exploring Reddit today and supercharge your SEO strategy.